So today I'm actually gonna try to make everything plant-based just because I've been wanting to eat a lot cleaner, feel a little lighter for summer, you know? But I'm gonna be making for breakfast a loaded peanut butter toast. I went to a vegan restaurant, ordered the same toast for $10, and I thought, whoa, it's delicious, but I could definitely make this at home. Just spread on the peanut butter. You can definitely use like cashew, almond, whatever your favorite type of butter is. I'm gonna add some slices of fruit. I have strawberries and bananas, but you can definitely use like peaches. That would be so good. Blueberries, raspberries. But this is just the basic. I'm just placing them randomly so each bite gets like a nice, fruity-full, yummy bite. To be honest, I really like fresh fruit on peanut butter way better than I like jam on peanut butter. It's just like natural sugar. I will add a little sweetness to it, some maple syrup. Just kidding. This is just a wine stopper. I lost the stopper for this. I'm just gonna drizzle it with the teaspoon. And then to give it like a healthy boost, I'm using some hemp seeds. It gives it some extra fatty acids, omega-3 and omega-6. And then for a yummy, cocoa-y crunch, cacao nibs. These are kind of like your vegan chocolate chips. But I like to crush them a little bit smaller. And ta-da! And then I just have my coffee that I made earlier. It's just a mixture of rice and oat milk that I made in my almond cow. And then I added this turmeric and mushroom plant-based creamer. At first I thought it was really weird tasting, but then I really got used to it and I really like it now. It's good. So I'm just using crusty sliced country bread, so it has that nice crunch to it, but also the cacao nibs just gives it that extra crunch that's a little bit chocolatey, so it's almost like a fruity peanut butter cup. It's delicious. Thank you to 100% Pure for sponsoring this video today. So in efforts to eat cleaner, I also have been for the past few years switching to Cleaner Beauty, and 100% Pure is a brand that I have known for years and years, way back when I was living in the Bay Area, which is where they're also from. I've been using their makeup lately and a little bit of their skincare and loving it. All of their products are vegan, cruelty-free, and fruit pigmented, meaning they extract the colors from fruits and veggies. I've been using this Better Naked palette, and it's awesome because there's 3 eyeshadows, and these are the colors that I typically use, tend to gravitate towards like a smoky eye, and then there's this luminizer and blush, all in one. But first, I don't leave the house without doing my brows, so I also have this Long Last brow gel in taupe that I really like. And a little bit goes a really long way. So this will last you for a really long time. Long lasting on the brows, long lasting in the jar. Just a little like that. This is just how I typically do my brows. I am by no means a makeup guru. Looks really natural, beautifully pigmented. And then I'm just gonna finish it off with the highlighter or luminizer is what they call it, and blush. And 2 of my other lip products that I love is this fruit pigmented lip gloss. It's just so glossy and it just gives it a very nice color. But I go in first with the lip balm in elderberry. And then to give it a glossy, beautiful tint, the lip gloss. Tastes like strawberries almost. And that is my 5-minute natural look naturally. I've also been using their skincare for anti-aging. This vitamin C serum, which helps to firm and brighten my skin. And of course, eye cream, because you definitely need eye cream at night. And this one's made with coffee bean caffeine eye cream, so it brightens and depuffs. I really like it. I love that everything is non-toxic, natural, and I feel good putting it on my skin. So if you guys want to learn more about 100% Pure or just check out some of my favorite products from them, I'll leave links in the description box below. So So for today, lunch, I thought it would be fun to make like a rainbow spring rolls. I was testing out some peanut sauce variations and I came up with this one with a little hint of like red curry. I feel like the lemongrass and the galang galang and the lime leaves really kind of amps it up. And then for the spring rolls, I'm gonna actually use all the colors of vegetables that I currently have right now. So we have some collards, mint, carrots, of course. I'm gonna add mangoes and then some avocados, and then I need to chop up some of these red bell peppers and purple cabbage. From time to time, just to make sure that Nate and I are getting enough like nutrients and vegetables in, I like to make these spring rolls to make sure that we get a lot of veggies in one go. And it's just really good for summertime. It's like refreshing. We have our veggies done, so now I like using these thin, like this is the perfect size for spring rolls, and I just dip it into some water, shake it off, and start building. I always like the collards on the outside. It's like pancakes. The first one's always tricky until you kind of get the hang of each one. I've been making spring rolls my whole life with my family, and yeah, the first one is always the worst looking one. But yeah, here's one. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys the inside. Ta-da! So easy and aesthetically pleasing. I grew up eating spring rolls all the time. Basically any like Vietnamese party or dinner party you go to, they always had spring rolls or egg rolls. Personally, I like spring rolls better just because it's like a lot more fresh and customizable. This is all that fits into this bowl. Beautiful. It makes me happy just like looking at this. So easy to make, but I'm gonna dip this one into the sauce. Oh no! The thing about packing it in with all of these raw veggies is that you end up chewing a lot. Give your mouth a workout. But now it's really good with the sriracha in there. I'm used to the peanut sauce with hoisin and more of a soy base, but with the red curry in here, it's actually really yummy. It's like a different tropically vibe. It could just be because I added mango in here, but it just brings out a lot more sweetness, which I really like. If you guys want the recipes to all of these recipes that I'm doing today, be sure to check in the description box below as well. I think this is plant-based. My weak spot. Trying this hard kombucha. Strawberry mojito sounds really good. Sometimes hard kombucha's hit or miss. Like the flavor says it's there, except like it's always kind of not. It's good. It's not very strawberry-ish though, I would say. Yeah, it's not strawberry-ish at all. Definitely mojito more than strawberry though. So for dinner tonight, I'm gonna make like a broccoli cheesy pasta. I have this broccoli that I need to use up because it's starting to turn a little yellow. I kind of forgot about it. But I also found this cashew queso that I'm gonna mix with some roasted bell peppers, and then I'm gonna mix it with some tomato sauce to make like a cheesy, I don't know, I'm just kind of coming up with this idea in my head, and hopefully it turns out good. Fire roasted bell peppers. So I have my fire roasted red bell peppers, and I'm gonna mix it in here with some marinara nutritional yeast, which I have found to be really, really cheesy and delicious. And then usually in my like creamy pasta sauce, like pink sauce, I would add cream cheese But then I found this, I told you guys, cashew queso. So it's like cheesy sauce that's made with cashews, but it also has like other flavors in there. So I thought I'd just experiment and see how this comes out. Plant milk. So I definitely could have just used like marinara sauce, but I kind of wanted to add other flavors in there, and I also snuck some extra red bell peppers in there, so it feels even healthier. Not bad. It has like that roasted red pepper tomato soup type of vibe to it, but this, since it has like queso type of feel, it's really unique. If you guys have ever had like the broccoli cheese daily harvest bowl, that's kind of what I'm trying to aim towards here. It really reminds me of that. I added a little bit of pasta water in here as well, just to like thin it out. And now I'm just gonna let it finish cooking in here and thicken up and just come together as one. I think I'm also gonna garnish it with some sunflower seeds later too.
What are you eating?
Why?
Well, your shirt's so dirty.
So we're all eating pretty much the same thing.
Coco! Can I have the yellow cheese?
Yeah, it is yellow cheese. It's yellow cheese pasta.
I don't know.
Good? You try.
It sounds different.
And here's mine. I topped it with some sunflower seeds for like a little crunch. I like it. It's good with the seeds. So the pasta helped like the sauce thicken up, and now it's just like all kind of like married together. Give this a try and just like blend the roasted red bell pepper with your sauce. It just brings out so much flavor. I can't believe how good this is. Look, Cece, I'm making you a smoothie bowl.
Yeah! Let me see my spoon. Let me see a wooden spoon.
Yeah, I'll give you a wooden spoon. How's it? There's a smoothie at Jamba Juice called Aloha Pineapple. This is what it tastes like. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's plant-based themed video. I've really been trying to integrate a lot more vegetable-based things into my diet, a little bit less meat, just for like cholesterol and overall health. Not that meat's a bad thing, but I'm just trying to work on certain things. But yeah, I feel pretty good after today. I don't feel super heavy or bloated. I hope you guys found some of the recipes useful. If you guys want to see more like meatless recipes, go ahead and let me know in the comments section below. Thank you to 100% Pure for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!